Hey guys, Will Roundtree here, out here in Los Angeles, California.
Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading.
What we doing, Will?
Man, we are in Los Angeles, California. About to get on this freeway with this
All this fucking traffic.
fucking traffic, man. This is why I live in Vegas. People ask, hey, would you ever move to California? Hell no. I don't like traffic. If I could catch a helicopter to my mailbox from my front door, I would. I hate driving. I don't know if y'all can see that traffic, but I can remember when I was in my 20s and I would be driving back and forth to work. Traffic like that shit will motivate you to want to work for yourself. That will motivate you to want to work from home, to want to create your own schedule. When people ask, hey, Will, what motivated you to work hard? I got tired of waking up at 3:30 having to shovel my damn car out. That's what motivated me. Out here on Hollywood Boulevard, where we're going to ask people some financial literacy questions and see how much do people actually know about financial literacy and credit. If they get it right, they win $20. First question.
I'm gonna get it wrong.
What are the 3 major credit bureaus?
That's a you question. Can we phone a friend?
There's different.
She needs a lifeline.
There's the National Federal Credit.
Come on. No. First question. What are the 3 major credit bureaus?
Experian, TransUnion, hold on. It's coming to me.
3 seconds. 3.
It's the
2,
pressure.
1.
I can't remember.
Oh.
The pressures get me down, okay?
If she gets them right, she wins $20. And then she gonna use it to buy me lunch. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
All right. So, first question. What are the 3 major credit bureaus?
I don't know.
All right. First question. What are the 3 major credit bureaus?
TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian.
About time somebody got that right. Okay. All right. First question. What are the 3 major credit bureaus?
The 3 major credit bureaus?
Yes.
Oh, that's hilarious. The 3 major credit bureaus, I would say the IRS.
Come, bro. Hey, hey, I appreciate you playing. Do you know what the 3 major credit bureaus are, Kulo?
What major what? Credit? Like, I don't know what you mean, like balance account?
What are the 3 major credit bureaus?
Oh, would it be like, I got it. My mom does this too. Oh, she gonna whoop me for sure. Equifax?
That's one.
Okay.
Come on, Rico, I believe in you.
Oh,
Can't let
I know
moms down, man.
I know she about to be on my helmet for this because she fixed credit too. Equifax.
Come on, you got 3 seconds, Rico.
Well, I can't.
3, 2,
I don't even know it.
1. We appreciate you playing, though. First question.
Oh my God.
What are the 3 major credit bureaus?
Oh, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion.
Wow, this is the second person out of 10 that got these right. All right, Ernesto, can you tell me the 3 major credit bureaus?
Shit, I don't even know.
Hey, let's go. Do you know what the 3 major credit bureaus are?
Yeah, well, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion.
Okay, next question. Do you know what a credit inquiry is?
It's a credit check.
Okay, got that one right. Do you know what a credit inquiry is?
Credit inquiry?
Yes.
Yes.
What is it?
It's when a potential creditor runs your credit and to see your history,
That's good enough.
Okay.
Do you know what a credit inquiry is?
Sure thing. So basically what a credit inquiry is when like one of the, okay, so say for example I want to purchase a home. They're going to run a credit inquiry. You can have a soft inquiry or you can have a hard inquiry.
Great answer. I love it. Last question. Look like you've been studying before I got here.
Yeah, it's life questions. Once you get over 25, I assume you should have this information.
Absolutely. At what age do you generate a credit score?
Probably 16, as soon as you start working.
Justin, man, you almost had it. It's 18, man. 18, but we appreciate you playing with us, man. Let me ask you this. At what age
For the family.
can you actually generate a credit score? Let's start there. At what age do you start to generate a credit score?
16?
So technically it's 18.
18.
But Because you got them all right, I'm gonna go ahead and still give you the $20.
My dad was buying stuff in my name when I was 3 years old.
So at what age do you generate a credit score?
That's a very good question. Oh my God. I mean, Lifeline. Because I
Where's
don't know.
Terry Crews?
A lot of times it can be like kids. Like kids can.
We didn't say at what age can you use their credit.
Okay.
At what age do they generate a credit score?
18.
Great answer. She gave you some help though, so you got to give her like 7 of the $20.
Okay.
Appreciate you for participating.
Yes, no
Is this
problem.
your family?
Yes.
Okay. All you guys look good. We thank you. We appreciate you guys being financial lit.
Yes, but we like literally seeing you like on TikTok and YouTube.
Let the people know how they can follow Mr. I See Greatness.
Hey, you know what? It was great answering some financial literacy questions right here with this brother right here. We need more information like this, so we need more inquiries like this. If you want to follow me, honestly, you just look up I See Greatness in You or hashtag I See Greatness in You, or my Instagram is We See Greatness in You.
We see greatness in each other.
Yes, sir. You know, and we can't do it by ourselves. If your dream is big enough to achieve by yourself, then your dream is not big enough. In order to receive more, one must give more. I see greatness in you.
Hey, that's why you bless people, you'll be blessed beyond measure.
Word.
Absolutely, King. Appreciate you, man.
Appreciate you.
And can you believe right now we're only 2 for 10? Only 2 people got it right. So make sure y'all tap in. Make sure you're following me on all social media platforms across the board. And more importantly, I'll see you at the top.
That's what happens when you're on Hollywood Boulevard. Can't find your car. What we doing, Will?
Hey, we forgot where we parked at. Peace, family. What's going on? Look, the weather is beautiful. About to get ready an interview with Jason Lee over at Hollywood Unlocked. I've just been thinking about how truly blessed I am, not just because of everything that I've accomplished, but thinking about where I came from. I moved to Las Vegas. I was homeless, had no friends, had really no plan. But the one thing that I had is I had drive. So for anyone watching this, wherever you are in your life, I want you to know, just keep going, because that's half the battle. Sleeping on floors, to sleeping in the backseat of a car, to not even knowing where your next meal is coming from. We made it to Hollywood. I still have a lot of work to do. I still have a long way to go. Interesting, like we asked 10 individuals, you know, just basic financial literacy, basic credit questions, and 2 out of 10 got them right. They didn't even get past the first question. That's even more confirmation that I still have a lot of work to do. And I still have millions of people to touch with this information, because there are a lot of people doing what I do, but I also know it's not a lot of people doing it the way I do it. Each one teach one. Now we are at Santa Monica Pier. Fly out here to LA, got some work done, and now we're about to hit the beach. Just enjoy what we've built so far.
He was doing it, his dad was doing it on the beach, carving Molly's name on a stone, making history. There's Molly. Boom.
How long did that take?
A couple of minutes.
Oh, wow.
It's the one and only.
I like
Got the
When you think about everything you have going on, like your business, your assets, everything like that, and then you think about like your son, like your kid, how does that make you feel?
The first thing is I realized that my son he actually can be a kid. When I was 11, I was working. Not necessarily saying helping my parents pay bills. I went to get a job at 11 as a golf caddy just so I could buy sneakers. And so when I think about, you know, my legacy and really having information that can position my son to own real estate by the time he's 18. My son has an LLC. They sold us on we gotta work 40 years. But then most people who retire after 40 years because they live their life in such disciplined state, you know, when to wake up, when to take vacation, when you could, whatever, you actually end up having to go right back to work. So why not put that energy into building something, even if you decide to work a 9 to 5. I'm not even telling people to leave their job, but at least build something on the side, because think about it like this. You can build a real estate portfolio while you're working. You can buy and invest into companies that are making money, earn a percentage while you're working your 9 to 5, if that's your passion. So it's really about building something outside of yourself that can withstand inflation, that can withstand a layoff, that can withstand you potentially being fired. Like I often say, man, this shit is do or die for us. At least that's how I looked at it. This shit was do or die for me and my family, my legacy, and it's do or die for the Roundtree name. So that's why I do this shit. It's bigger than just for my family.